In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub Desktop. We'll walk through creating a brand new repository from scratch so you can start tracking your project files with an easy visual workflow. First, open GitHub Desktop on your computer. This app gives you the power of Git without living in the command line, and it works the same on Windows and Mac OS. If an update prompt appears, it's a good idea to accept it so you're using the latest features and fixes. With the app open, go to the menu bar and click File. This menu is where you handle common project actions. From there, choose New Repository. You're now looking at the setup window where you define the basics of your project. A repository or repo is simply a folder that Git tracks over time, recording changes so you can review history, branch, and collaborate confidently. Start by entering a clear name. Pick something short and descriptive that matches your project folder. Add a description to explain what the project does or who it's for. This context helps you and any collaborators later on. Next, choose the local path. This is the exact location on your computer where the repository's files will live. Use the Choose button to browse to an existing folder or create a new empty one from the dialog, so Git starts clean. Remember where you place it. This is the working directory you'll open in your editor. Now select a Git ignore template. The .jtignore file tells Git which files to leave out, like build artifacts, environment files, or system clutter. Pick the template that matches your technology stack, such as Node, Python, or Unity, so you avoid committing generated files or sensitive local settings. If you're unsure, you can start with none and add rules later. Then choose a license. A license sets the terms for how others can use, modify, or share your code. Popular choices include MIT for a permissive option and Apache 2.0 for added patent protection. If you're keeping the project private or aren't ready to decide, you can skip this for now and add it later. When everything looks right, click Create Repository. GitHub Desktop will initialize the repo at your chosen path and open it in the app, ready for your first commits. That's it. You've set up a project the friendly way, and you're ready to start building with version control.